LGU level ang mga kamag-anak ng government officials hanggang sa fourth civil degree of consanguinity and affinity. To the DPWH ay dapat po ayusin niyo po ang inyong master plan. Matagal na po yan na hinihingi natin, pero after ilang taon nandiyan pa rin po itong mga flood control. Ang bagyo po hindi natin kayang pigilan, pero ang labis na pagbaha, pagkawala ng kabuhayan at buhay, kaya po nating magawa ng paraan. Ang korupsyon, kaya nating pigilan. The flood problem demands the unwavering attention of the government. Let us make corrupt officials accountable. I call upon everyone here as today to carefully deliberate, draw upon expert insights, and work together for a solution to resolve this matter. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair. Mamaya na po magtatanong.
Thank you, Senator Bong. Before I call on Senator Bam, let me just make a clarification.